In this video, we will talk about the Pythagorean theorem and how to solve for c. The first step we want to do is fill out our formula. The Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. A could be 5, b could be 7, since those are the legs connecting the right angle. C is always the side that is the longest, and it's always across from the right angle. C is also considered the word hypotenuse. Now that we have our formula written out, let's go ahead and fill it in. So a squared would be 5 squared, b squared would be 7 squared, and c squared is still unknown. 5 squared plus 7 squared is equal to c squared after filling it out. So now we can go on to step 2. Calculate a squared and b squared and then add. 5 squared is 25, 7 squared is 49, and then we're going to add those together. 25 plus 49 gives us 74. So 74 is equal to c squared. You're going to notice once you get your answer, you will get a decimal. To find out what c squared is equal to, we will have to take the square root of 74. 74 square root is approximately 8.6023, and you're going to notice your decimal keeps going. So we'll just say it's approximately 8.6 is equal to c.